everyone, let me introduce myself. My full name is Katarina Noy. You can call me Anita. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, honored guests, distinguished colleagues, and fellow community members. First and foremost, let us express our gratitude to the Almighty for blessing us with good health and unity. I am deeply honored to stand before you today on this valuable occasion. Today, we will discuss the significance of English language in the 5.0 points era, a circular and highly relevant issue for us all. I hope this speech will inspire deeper insights and constructive exchange of ideas. Let us begin. Ladies and gentlemen, as we transition into the 5.0 points era, characterized by the fusion of technology and human-centric approaches, the importance of the English language has become increasingly pronounced. The 5.0 points era, often referred to as the Society 5.0 points, emphasizes the integration of cyber and physical space, where technology serves to enhance human well-being. The era of 5.0 points or Industry 5.0 points is a promising future making by rapid technology advancements. In this era, humans and technology will collaborate intensively to create innovations and progress. Therefore, English becomes one of the key skills to seize opportunities and face challenges in this era. Ladies and gentlemen, in an intercountry war, the ability to communicate in English is essential. English has established itself as the primary language of international business, diplomacy, and academy. Organizations operating on a global scale often use English as their working language, enabling seamless communication among diverse teams. This linguistic community fosters collaboration and enhances productivity. In the era of globalization, the use of English has become the common people, especially in the field of terms. Indonesia boasts a wide variety of tourist attractions that appeal to international visitors. English is a core language for Indonesians, particularly those living around tourist destinations, to communicate with visitors. This is essential for developing Indonesian tourism sector. Ladies and gentlemen, the 5.0 points era is marked by rapid technology advancements, including artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and big data. English serves as the medium through which much of this information is surfaced as the medium through which much of this invitation is communicated. These companies, research institutes, and startups predominantly use English for documentation, programming, and collaboration. This trend underscores the need for professionals in the tech industry to possess strong English Language skills. Ladies and gentlemen, moreover, English is crucial for networking within the global tech community. Conference, webinars, and workshops often take place in English, providing platforms for knowledge sharing and collaboration. Professionals who can communicate effectively in English are better positioned to engage with peers, share ideas, and drive innovation. This dynamic interchange fosters a culture of creative and collaboration, instilled for tackling complex global challenges. Ladies and gentlemen, in the society 5.0 era, where humans and technology were in harmony to create a more modern and sophisticated life. Numerous beneficial opportunities have emerged. The ability to communicate in English is a skill needed to thrive and compete on the international stage. Even on a national level, English is highly as many foreign companies established in Indonesia employ local workers. Ladies and gentlemen, in addition to its practical application, English also plays a vital role in fostering cultural exchange. The 5.0 era encourages a holistic understanding of diverse cultures, which is essential for global harmony and cooperation. Through the medium of English, individuals can engage with literature, film, music, and art from different cultures, promoting empathy and appreciation for diversity. Ladies and gentlemen, culture exchange facilitated by English can lead to English social cohesion and mutual understanding among nations. As people come together to share their story and experience, the Bible breaks the transgeographical and cultural boundaries. This cultural dialogue is essential for addressing global issues such as climate change, social justice, and economic inequality, which require collaborative solutions. Ladies and gentlemen, English is the most widely spoken international language in the world. Of English is one of the skills everyone must possess. English is used as all areas of life, including education, social politics, and the economy. Proficiency in English is crucial to facilitate communication, access information, great career opportunities, and enhance understanding of global culture and society. Ladies and gentlemen, the use of English is now extremely important and relevant as a global language. English demands us to master it both active and passive in communication. Communication is one of the most vital aspects of human life. Make English a sure skill to master for effective international communication. Good communication foster relationship and good relationship create opportunities to, to compete in the global stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the importance of English in the social 5.0 era requires great attention from various sectors, particularly education. English should be done from an early age to train children communication skill. Learning English early on will make it easier for children to adapt to the outside world as they grow up. The implementation of bilingual learning concept is closing to familiar children with the use of English. Ladies and gentlemen, in various sectors, proficiency in English has become an essential skill for everyone. Mastery of English is key to enabling individual competence to compete international. Therefore, efforts to promote the use of English are highly necessary to drive individual and economic development, enabling competitiveness on the global stage. The implementation of the English language in the 5.0 points era cannot be overstated as a global language phrase. English facilitates communication, enhances educational opportunities, drives innovation, and promotes culture as saying. In a world increasingly defined by interconnectedness and technology advancements, proficiency in English is a vital skill that empowers individuals to navigate the complication of the modern landscape. Embrace English not only encourages personal and professional life but also contributes to a more inclusive and collaborative global community. As we move forward, prioritize English language education will be crucial in preparing individuals to thrive in the dynamic and evolving society 5.0 points. Hopefully, this speech can be useful for all of us. If there are any mistakes in my pronunciation, I apologize finally. I would like to say thank you.